Okay, what's going on, everybody? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Brandon's Reviews and Unboxing. That's the channel name. We review stuff, we unbox stuff. What's simpler than that? Nothing. You get the name. That's what's going on here. We have a special video today, though. This right here is a Polaroid One Step camera. And this isn't a remake. This isn't from the new Polaroid company, Polaroid Originals. This is, as far as I'm concerned, one of the original Polaroid cameras. Right here. I had this when I was a little kid. My mom either bought it for me back in the 90s, or she had it beforehand and gave it to me. And then it got lost for a while. I didn't know where it went. That was, I haven't seen this thing for over a decade until very, very recently. Something, I thought back about Polaroid cameras. I love them. I just love something, you can take much clearer, better pictures with all this new technology we have, but there's something about literally just, it's one take, you can't redo a picture, and you get it right here and it's ready to go in like 10, 15 minutes. So I don't know, I've been thinking about it, and then I was able to actually find it. Well, my mom actually found it and gave it to me. So this is it right here. Today we're going to be unboxing and trying. I ordered the film off of Amazon, which is not cheap at all. I ordered a 40 pack, and we have it here now. Hopefully it works. When I got it, I totally forgot all about it, and I thought, there's a button, a light up button, like, where's the battery? How's that all work? And it turns out the battery is in the film pack, so we're gonna try this bad boy out and see how it goes. So got the package from Amazon here. It's got a couple other things in it. So I got a shirt as a gift for someone, and also a CD. That's not what we're looking at. This is it right here, big reveal. The 600 film color, 40 photos. This costed me 116 total Canadian dollars after taxes and everything. And this is it. Cool. We're gonna see if it works. Now, I went online before this. I was watching this guy. He had a cool accent. I think he was maybe from Finland or something. And he says, if you have one that's old and it's been sitting around for whatever, haven't been used for years, like mine, this hasn't been used, as I said, in at least over a decade, the flash might take a little bit to charge up. So we will see about that. Anyways, this is it, how it comes. You can buy this right from the Polaroid store too, but I just bought it off Amazon to get it faster and stuff. Like with Amazon, you just press a button and then you order something. So, okay. So this is what it looks like. Here's the packs. There's 5 of them, like I said. And here we go. Not for individual sale. 8 photos. This is really cool. So I don't like to be slow and with opening packaging, I just rip it. This is the film right here. So here's the old package, canister of film with no film in it. Now, if this works, here's what it looks like without it. If this works, I should put it in, snap it closed, and like a piece will come out the top, the black film. I forget the name. Like I said, I'm not really a big camera buff, but I just think it's cool having something like this. I really like tangible stuff. And hopefully I'm doing this right. There's people maybe hopefully watching this that know about cameras and stuff. They're probably laughing really hard at me, but okay. This is what it looks like. Got the little thing here. Insert film this side up. Oh, camera lenses right here. Do not remove the dark slide. It's called a dark slide. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is it. And like I said, the battery comes with it inside of it, so it'll charge this thing up. I hope it works, because there's a lot of money to spend if this thing doesn't work. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. There's the dark slide. Looks like it works. Okay. So here we go. Am I going to take a picture? Look, the battery is on. The light is on. This is awesome. There's a little thing right here. Now, I guess the original film, you can't really see it, can you? The original packs of film used to come in 10s. So you can see the number 10 and it counts down to how many pictures are left. So it thinks that there's 10 in here, but apparently now there's only 8. But let's try it. I don't know. What should my first picture be? I guess I'm making this video, so camera reception. Oh. I'm going to take a picture of me taking a picture. Oh my God. This is the coolest fucking thing in the world. So there it is. Do not shake your Polaroid picture like they say in that Outcast song. That doesn't do anything apparently. And there we go. The flash worked right away. It might even get better over time as the battery charges it up more. It's working. This is so cool. This is from my friggin' childhood, and it's working again. And I'm gonna go take cool pictures, just tangible photos that I can get right away. I love that. Thinking about doing the van life. You'll see videos. If you're new here, subscribe, and you're still watching this, me ramble on about this. I want to do the van life. I'm getting some stuff ready. I got a minivan. Gonna make videos on it, and what I plan to do is keep this camera with me anytime I have a meaningful interaction with like a stranger or something, or you know, something more than just saying hi or whatever. And anytime I have a meaningful interaction and the person's about to leave, I'm gonna be like, hey, can I take a selfie? And then post the pictures in my van, or make a scrapbook or something like that. So yeah, there we go. Polaroid 600 film. I got a 40 pack. I'm really glad I did, because it looks like it's working. It's still developing. That's it. Click the like button. Thank you for watching. I'm incredibly excited. And yeah, see you guys later.